Hello! Please watch this video for instructions on how to access data to look at melt area detection on ice caps and glaciers. So we need to use Glovis for this, and uses Java, so don't recommend using Google Chrome as your browser. Open up Firefox, type in Glovis, and you should see the USGS Global Visualizer Viewer. With Java running, you should then see the window of different scenes and satellites and bits and pieces. It's all downloadable from USGS. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to the collection, and there's a load of data you can view on here. We want the MODIS, which is the Moderate Imaging Spectrometer. There are two satellites which have MODIS, Aqua and Terra. I'll pick Terra, but you can have Aqua, Terra, or both. And the one we're going to use is Mod09 GA. Mod09 GA. Now, before you do anything else, it's probably worth just Googling Mod09 GA and find out what it is. Surface reflectance, daily product, estimate of surface spectral reflectance. So what the surface is doing, signature of what's happening on the surface. Have a look, see what bands are included in this. Check that out there. And then, yeah, just use the map to search for an area on your map. That's going to update, so we're over here. Maybe let's try southeast of Greenland. Or you can use lat long, it's probably easier. And then what you do is we're looking at the map layers. We've got a scene list overlay, which is probably the easiest. You can switch the resolution if you would like. And yes, this is all good so far. So I'm in the middle of the scene now. Okay, let's go back to Southeast Greenland over here. For the purpose of this will be okay. So then we'll go, right, let's change the date to, say, well, 2015. Let's go for a summer image, July image. And hit go. That's better. I couldn't see it before because we were in the dark. It was December and we were above the Arctic Circle. Now you can see Greenland. There's a fair bit of cloud here. Anyway, we can, if we're happy with that scene, that's the coverage that we want, we then just go add, and now we've got a scene which we can download. We can go next scene, it'll take us to the next one. Here's the date, next day. So we go through, we can choose our scenes, go, oh, let's have that one, we'll add that. And we're building up a scene list. Next scene, oh, we'll add another one, right? And then we just go send to cart, and then we can download our imagery. We have to create an account. But then you should have the image available. Usually takes 10-15 minutes for USGS to get back to you, but in busy times it could take longer. So now you've got that Mod09GA catalog data. You can then build up a time series, looking at the summer months when there's going to be melting on the ice cap and the ice sheet. We want to quantify that melt, and there's a paper which I'm going to refer you to, McCabe et al. 2010, I think. Let's just have a look here. This is the paper. Remote sensing letters detecting ice sheet melt area over the Western Greenland using MODIS for summer periods, and this was 2010. So if we scroll down, get a feeling of the introduction and everything else, we want to get to the section on melt area detection. So this is what you can then apply to melt area detection using the ratio of two different bands, 0.67 and 2.1 nanometers. Perfect. So ratio between those will be able to then show you which areas are melting and which areas are not, and then you can compare that through time and get an idea of melt length, season, and number of melting days in different areas around your chosen ice cap. So I hope that's useful for you. Thank you. Any questions?